This week we're exploring home improvement projects that you can do for less than $100, and Alan is right in the middle of one with homeowner Bud Black. The back of Bud's pantry isn't very accessible because of its depth, so Alan has found some roll-out wire baskets to solve the problem. At a little under $25 each, they come in under the $100 mark. Now it's just a matter of getting them installed.
All right, what do you think there, Bud?
Well, I think it's going to work.
This kind of detailed layout may require a little extra effort, like temporarily removing a cabinet door, but it'll pay off later.
All right, let's go ahead and draw some lines here.
By precisely centering the baskets in the existing openings, Alan and Bud will not only ensure that there aren't any obstructions when they roll out.
15. This is 9 1/4. Didn't tell me I had to do math here. Okay. So, did you already get that?
I think
3 and 8 is what we got. Wait, 9 1/4. Subtract from 15. That's 5. And what did I say, quarter? 5 3/4 left,
okay.
Right? So 5 3/4 divided by 2. That's 2 1/2 and 3/8. 2 7/8. Is that right?
They'll also maximize the extra shelf space that isn't covered up by the basket, so that area can also be used for storage.
All right, let's say let's say that basket sticks out a little bit. We'll bring it about 2 inches from the edge. Will that work?
Well, do you think it's better to utilize all the space back in the back?
Want to take it all the way back?
Well, I don't know about
Or
all
bring
the way.
bring it up.
Once the track is in the right location, it's just a matter of securing it with a few screws before installing the basket and checking the clearance.
How about that? Think she'll be happy with that?
Yeah, let's check that door and see if that door closed good.
How much do we have? Oh, 1/2 inch. We're good.
Now they simply repeat the process 3 more times.
All right, Alan.
And this pantry problem is solved.
All right, one more. Oh yeah, I think you're set.
Well, I think that did real well, Alan, but there's only one thing. I think next weekend I'll be putting them in the bottom cabinets.
Well, you know, making work for other people is what I'm good at. Good luck.
Well, we thank you.